DIKWP 小工 aboard your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder what's really cooking in the AI world? Forget the hype for a second. DeepSeek V4 isn't just another model release. It's potentially a strategic masterstroke, nudging China's entire AI ecosystem onto a new track. The real question isn't if it's number one, but how it's changing the game. So, what's the big picture? Think of DeepSeek V4 as a conductor, not just a soloist. Its mission to orchestrate a shift. We're talking about twisting together the whole stack, the models themselves, the chips they run on, the cloud services, the developers using them, even how companies buy and deploy AI. It's less about hitting peak performance numbers and more about building something that's good enough, cheap enough, portable enough, and crucially, localizable enough. And guess what? This isn't a sudden leap. Earlier versions like V3.1 and V3.2 already laid the groundwork, showing this path was being paved well before V4 even arrived. Now, how does this magic happen? Two powerful flywheels are spinning. First, open source diffusion by making it MIT licensed, compatible with OpenAI APIs, and keeping prices low. DeepSeek makes itself incredibly easy to adopt. Over 75 million downloads. That's not just a product. It's becoming the default material. Second, domestic computing power reports suggest V4 is being optimized for Huawei and Cambrican chips right from the start. These aren't tiny players. Domestic chips already hold 41% of the market. If these two flywheels lock together, open source adoption driving demand for domestic hardware, which in turn gets better because of the model, then V4 becomes a massive wedge, forcing China's AI stack to migrate. If they don't lock, then we're just looking at another flashy model launch. Let's break down the actual path this strategy is taking. It's a 5-layer climb. Layer E, architecture, moving away from just the bigger models towards smarter, more efficient designs with stronger agents. Layer R, hardware, shifting focus from needing the absolute fastest US chips to running efficiently on diverse, accessible hardware like NPU and domestic chips. Layer 3, developers, making it super easy to switch by offering familiar APIs, open weights, and keeping costs low. Layer 4, cloud and procurement, getting major cloud providers and organizations to actually package and buy this stack, moving from tech demos to real deployments. Finally, Layer 5, industry data. The ultimate goal, getting this AI into manufacturing agents, smart devices, and other real-world scenarios, so it generates valuable data that feeds back and strengthens the whole system. It's a chain reaction. So, what's next? The most likely scenario is that V4 acts as a catalyst, really pushing the migration of the entire stack, even if it doesn't immediately dethrone the US leaders in every single benchmark. The strongest upside, if it succeeds, we could see a Linux or Android moment. For AI, not necessarily the most powerful, but a go-to default foundation. But there's a downside too. If the buzz is huge, but the actual migration lags, it might just be noise. Keep your eyes peeled for solid evidence. Are clouds bundling it? Are industries using it? That's the real test.